wonderful workshop. Deepa Nair is not here with us. She's busy with some other work. But it was a very wonderful workshop. I really thank all of you from the bottom of my heart for, enlightening our children on this topic. And not only that, what Pooja Didi said about, banning of plastic and all, that's a very, very nice message that you all have given, and spreading awareness amongst everyone. Thank you so much to the entire Art of Living team. It was a wonderful workshop, and children, they have learned a lot. And it was really nice. And also one more thing which I would like to say is that, the way you taught the children how to dispose of the sanitary napkins, I think that's very, very important. And it's a wonderful lesson that you have given.
I, on behalf of Sadhu Vaswani International School, would like to extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the speakers for gracing your important work and sharing us with your valuable teachings and expertise. They were not so aware also. Project Pavitra aims at abolishing the sense of taboo surrounding menstruation and adolescent health. And this
No. Good afternoon to all of you. I'm one of the teachers, and thank you very much, Rita. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience. There are certain things which we as teachers are not able to educate these young lads, these young ladies, I must say.
Yeah, I have sat with her for the 3 days, and it has been the most wonderful thing. And now I'm thinking that why something like that was not there for us, when we were of this age. This whole topic, which is considered as to be a taboo, was presented in such a simple, graceful, and such a beautiful thing. So, and that too at the right age. So really hats off to the team Pavitra. Wonderfully done. And every aspect of it has been covered so nicely. Really 3 cheers to the team, to the management of the school.
I totally agree with what Balreen's mom just said. This is the right age. My daughter is in 6th standard right now, and she is unaware of many of the things. I have not yet, I'm yet to teach her and tell her about all these things. And I found this workshop very useful. And maybe she is clear with her myths also, and what all she has been a witness to what all I face during those days. As she said, and I think Niyantri has gained a lot attending the workshop.
excuse me, ma'am. It was a nice session. Means I could not say means how it was expressed us that how to in so simple words. I just want to say thank you all, Didi, especially Muskan Didi, Ruby Didi, and Pooja Didi, and that Didi who
And
teaches
she's
yoga,
Meera Didi.
and Neera Didi, and thank you all our teachers.
Thank you, beta. Can we have
Please do.
It was a great experience. It's like I'm normally a shy person only when it comes to like talking with my friends also. But I'm not shy about talking about periods and all. It's like I say, it was a really good experience. It's like I knew these things way before, and like now like I understand like even like in a very simpler way. Like that time like I understood it like in a very complicated way by myself only. Like I love teaching myself.
okay? Yes, Shravani.
It was very nice experience, and first when you were when we were talking about periods, so that time I was like, what will happen? And after the at second day, I was feeling okay, so I liked it.
If I tell about my experience, I can't say how I am feeling, because sometimes I feel very shy if someone talks about me, but now it's magical for me.
Like now I know how to handle my menstruation really very nice, and now first I was really shy to talk about it, like oh my god, periods, I would not talk about it. But now when I got to know about more things and the way I can live my life better with periods, I really respect periods now, and I'm not shy about it anymore.
Wonderful.
Yes, first I was ashamed, I was irritated by the period. Now means you are giving more information, so I will not get irritated. Thanks.
मैं पवित्र हूँ। यह मेरा मासिक चक्र ही मेरा पवित्रता चक्र है। यह ईश्वर का वरदान है मुझे, जिससे मैं देती हूँ आकार उन आत्माओं को जो धरती पर जन्म लेती हैं। मैं पवित्र हूँ। इस पवित्रता चक्र से ही तो जन्मे हैं आदि शंकराचार्य, स्वामी विवेकानंद, जीसस, राम कृष्ण और नानक, जिन्होंने धरती पर आकर ईश्वर के होने का विश्वास दिलाया। मैं पवित्र हूँ। मैं शिव में स्थित हूँ, शक्ति हूँ। भक्तों में स्थित हूँ, भक्ति हूँ। मैं पवित्र हूँ। जो मुझे अपवित्र कहते हैं, मैं जानकर तो देखें, कहीं यह पवित्रता उनकी सोच और विचारों की तो नहीं, कहीं यह पवित्रता उनकी रूढ़ियों और दकियानुसी रिवाजों की तो नहीं जो मुझ पर थोपी जा रही है, क्योंकि मैं पवित्र हूँ। सृष्टि के आदि से सृष्टि के अंत तक मैं पवित्र हूँ। हाँ, मैं पवित्र हूँ। मैं पवित्र हूँ। यह मेरा मासिक चक्र ही मेरा पवित्रता चक्र है। यह ईश्वर का वरदान है मुझे, जिससे मैं देती हूँ आकार उन आत्माओं को जो धरती पर जन्म लेती हैं। मैं पवित्र हूँ। इस पवित्रता चक्र से ही तो जन्मे हैं आदि शंकराचार्य, स्वामी विवेकानंद, जीसस, राम कृष्ण और नानक, जिन्होंने धरती पर आकर ईश्वर के होने का विश्वास दिलाया। मैं पवित्र हूँ। मैं शिव में स्थित हूँ, शक्ति हूँ। भक्तों में स्थित हूँ, भक्ति हूँ। मैं पवित्र हूँ। जो मुझे अपवित्र कहते हैं, मैं जानकर तो देखें, कहीं यह पवित्रता उनकी सोच और विचारों की तो नहीं, कहीं यह पवित्रता उनकी रूढ़ियों और दकियानुसी रिवाजों की तो नहीं जो मुझ पर थोपी जा रही है, क्योंकि मैं पवित्र हूँ। सृष्टि के आदि से सृष्टि के अंत तक मैं पवित्र हूँ। हाँ, मैं पवित्र हूँ। मैं पवित्र हूँ। यह मेरा मासिक चक्र ही मेरा पवित्रता चक्र है। यह ईश्वर का वरदान है मुझे, जिससे मैं देती हूँ आकार उन आत्माओं को जो धरती पर जन्म लेती हैं। मैं पवित्र हूँ। इस पवित्रता चक्र से ही तो जन्मे हैं आदि शंकराचार्य, स्वामी विवेकानंद, जीसस, रामकृष्ण और नानक, जिन्होंने धरती पर आकर ईश्वर के होने का विश्वास दिलाया। मैं पवित्र हूँ। मैं शिव में स्थित हूँ, शक्ति हूँ। भक्तों में स्थित हूँ, भक्ति हूँ। मैं पवित्र हूँ।
जहाँ है सबसे प्यारा, आओ हम मिलके बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहाँ है सबसे प्यारा। हमने कहा है जो
and thank you is a small word enough, but it means a lot also at the same time. So it really was a wonderful experience. That's why maybe genuinely I had a smile, and I am sure that the kids and all the participants, they enjoyed a lot, and we are eager to learn more. So it is great that you sacrificed your time and you have put up a great workshop, and
we could provide an opportunity to laugh and play and dance and learn something new, and we really enjoyed. From our team, Pavitra, thank you so much to the whole school management, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, all the coordinators, teachers, Richa, thank you all.